See, how can we calculate interest on monthly drawings? When the drawings are made at a regular interval, then the interest on drawings will be calculated according to the following formulas. In your textbook you can see that in the beginning of every month is a case number 1. That means if a partner is going to withdraw fixed amount, okay, suppose a partner A is going to withdraw rupees 10,000 in the beginning of every month. That means amount is also same, time period is also same. Then only you can apply this formula. So there you can see that the average period is 6.5. From where you are getting this 6.5? What is the logic behind that average period of 6.5? Do you have any idea? The reason is, see, whenever you are going to calculate interest on drawings on monthly basis or quarterly basis, this is a formula you have to keep in mind. What is the formula? Time left after first drawings plus time left after last drawings by 2. What is the formula? Time left after
first drawings
plus time left after last drawings by 2. Is it clear? See here, if a partner is going to withdraw a fixed amount in the beginning of every month, what is our financial year? 1st April to
March
31st March. Is it clear? Yes. So in the beginning of every month means, when is the first drawings, or when was the first drawings that partner made in the beginning means 1st April. Is it clear? Financial year is 1st April only, so he is going to withdraw in the beginning of every month means 1st April was his first withdrawal. Clear? So time left after first drawings, how many months will come? 1st April to 31st March, how many months? 12 months. Plus time left after last drawings. When was his last withdrawal?
March 1st.
Very good, March 1st, because every month in the beginning. So last withdrawal is March 1st. So time left after last withdrawal is how many months? 1 month. So by 2. So here 12 plus 1 is equal to 13 by 2 is equal to 6.5 is the average period in the beginning of every month. Okay. Second one, case number 2, in the middle of every month. Financial year is same, April to March. So in the middle of every month means 15th. 15 is no in the middle. Around we are taking 30 is a round figure. So 15 is the middle. So when was his first withdrawal? April 15th was his first withdrawal, because in the middle of every month. What is the formula? Time left after first withdrawal. How many months? 0.5 will come, because not full. So 15th April to 31st March, how many months will come? 11.5 months, because 5 months, 1 to 5, sorry 15 is already gone. So 0.5. So time left after first withdrawal is 11.5 plus time left after last. When was his last withdrawal?
March 15th.
Very good. In the middle, 15th March. March was the last month. So in the middle of every month, 15th March was his last withdrawal. How many months? 0.5 months. Half months. So divided by 2. 11.5 plus 0.5. 12 by 2, 6. 6 is the average period in the middle of every month. Clear? 15th April was the first withdrawal. 15th March was the last withdrawal by 2. Last case is at the end of every month. At the end of. At the end of every month, financial year is 1st April. So when was the first withdrawal? 30th April. At the end of every month, first month, starting April, he is not going to withdraw in case of at the end. So at the end of every month, his first withdrawal was 30th April. How many months are there? Time left after first withdrawal then? April is already over. So from May to 31st March, how many months?
11 months.
Plus. When was his last withdrawal? At the end means at last only, no, 31st March, at the end of every month. So 31st March was his last withdrawal. Is there any months are remaining in that financial year? No, 0, because no months are there at that time. So 0 is average period. So the formula is 11 plus 0 by 2. 11 plus 0 is 11 only. By 2 means average period will come. Yes, average period will be 5.5. These are the 3 cases. Okay, today itself prepare a short notes. At that time, please mention this time period separately. It is not there in your textbook. Like in the beginning of every month, when was his first withdrawal and when was his last withdrawal? Clear? And what is the formula for calculating interest on drawings is? What is the average period? What is the formula for calculating the average period? Time left after first withdrawal plus time left after last withdrawal by 2. Is it clear? Is it okay? Fix it. This is not there in your textbook. When was his first? In the month of April. When was his last? In the month of March. Just count it. After this particular point, how many months are remaining? Done?